Good morning, my viewers. This is Ayodele Samuel Jude, the founder of Smart Tutorial. Today we'll be looking at addition and subtraction. Actually, it's one of the simplest topic in mathematics, but it's quite unfortunate that is the stumbling block for so many students due to being in haste, or maybe they are naive, or maybe they are frustrated thinking of so many things that are not in the question. For mathematics, the best way to excel in this subject is just to calm yourself down, only deal with what you see in your front. That is, what you can see in the question is what you should deal with. So, as I've always said, addition and subtraction. Addition simply means count, plus, and sometimes it might be invisible. And another thing is subtraction is different from addition in such that subtraction simply means to take away, minus, take away. When you include the action with it, take away, it make it more easier for you to get. Then plus and minus, they help us to demarcate an entity boundary. What do I mean? If you look at this question, this plus is in front of 2. So it simply tells you that plus 2. This plus is for these two, not these two. So this plus is for these two, minus 2. This minus is for these two. Anything in front of you belongs to you. And it simply tells you that is the boundary between the two and this other two. That is the boundary between these three. The boundary between these three and these two is this minus. That is, this minus tells you that the minus is for these three, not for these two. So from here, so here means we have two entities, these two and minus 2. And remember, addition is what is also invisible. That means if nothing is in front of an entity, it means plus. So don't forget that. And always treat plus before minus, irrespective of their position. That is, if you look at what we have in the E number here, there we have a minus 4. Okay, let's look at this. We have minus 3 plus 4. You have to treat the plus first. That is, this plus is telling you to count 4 before before taking away 3. So that is just it. Are we together? So that is that. And always take notes of this. Don't always add and subtract because you just see it there. Try to check, are they like terms? If they are like terms, then you process it. If they are not like terms, that is, if they are unlike terms, then the answer will still remain like that. That is, if they are not the same entity, if they don't look alike, then your question will still be your answer. So let's go to the practical way of solving plus and addition. Try to put action into it. When you have put a lot of actions into it, then you can just look at questions and solve it offhand without doing it, just seeing it with your eyes. So try to practice and practice and practice before you get to that level. So this is 2 plus 2. This 2 simply means plus 2. That is, count 2. 1, 2. You use stroke for counting numbers. This is 1, 2. The next thing is count 2 again. 1, 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is what? 4. Now the question, is it plus 4 or minus 4? It's not, since you've written 4, 4 is your answer. But if they ask you, is it plus 4 or minus 4? Nothing is there. So it is what? Plus 4. You should be able to know that as a student. Then the next one is let's try to compare these two together. Now let's look at this. 2 minus 2. This one is count 2. 1, 2. Take away 2. You can take away from what you have counted. You can only take away if you have counted something. If you have not counted anything, then you demonstrate the takeaway with actions there. That is, count, this one is plus 2. Count 2. We have counted the 2. Take away 2. Take away 1. Take away 2. Nothing is there again. So our answer is what? 0. This is 3 minus 2. Count 3. This is nothing is there. This minus is for these two. Take away 2. Take away, remove, remove, remove. This count 3. 1, 2, 3. Take away 2. Take away 1. Take away 2. Your answer remains 1. 1. This is count 2. 1, 2. Take away 3. Take away 1. Take away 2. Take away 3. What did you see? There is a minus waiting, that is minus 1. Are we together? This one is a finish, is a complete, is completed already. So there is nothing here. There is nothing here. This is like nothing, nothing. So minus 1 is because we are using number. That is why we use dash and slash for counting. If it is alphabet, you cannot use stroke to count alphabet. This is 8 minus 5. Count 8, take away 5. You should be able to do that. This one is 5. Count, this is 5 minus 8. This is plus, board mass. You have to do the addition first before the subtraction. Don't run to the 8 because the 8 is bigger than 5. Count 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 8. Take away 1, take away 2, take away 3, take away 4, take away 5, take away 6, take away 7, take away 8. This is how many minus 1, 2, 3? That is, your answer is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 is different from 3. Here you will get 3. 3 is plus 3. So 8 minus 5 is different from 5 minus 8. So the same thing applies there. Let's look at the last one. I believe you should be able to solve this, and this. This is minus 7 minus 1. They are not asking you to count anything here. They are asking you to take away continuously. Take away 7. Take away 1. Take away 2. Take away 3. Take away 4. Take away 5. Take away 6. Take away 7. Then they ask you take away 1 again. You are still taking away. Take away 1. If you count all the takeaways together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that will be what? Minus 8. It's very simple as ABC. Just calm yourself down. Don't think about minus give you plus in multiplications. Don't think about it. There is no multiplication there. That is where the problem lies. There is no multiplication. What they ask you to do is what you should do. Minus 7. Take away 7. Just practicalize it. Then take away 1. Then you get it. This is the last one on this section is minus 3 plus 4. That is minus 3 plus 4. You cannot take away 3 first. There is plus. In board mass, addition before subtraction. When you have plus and minus, you have to treat the plus first. That is plus 4. Count 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Take away 3. Take away 1. Take away 2. Take away 3. You can only take away when you have counted something. If you have not counted anything, just do the take away straight up. So this is what? 1, which is the 1 is still the same thing as what? Plus 1. So try to do this, and this. Now we try to look at the other aspects of it. All we have done is like terms under numbers. Now let's look at algebra. You know, algebra deals with alphabet. That is just the meaning of algebra. So when you see algebra expression, algebra equation, quadratic equation, don't be scared. Algebra simply means alphabet. That is when you have to be very conscious of your like terms and the unlike terms. Under the alphabet, you don't use stroke to count. You use the alphabet to count. When you practicalize it, then you develop a kind of perfections in doing it offhand. So this is s minus x. This one is plus x. Count x. That is count x. This x simply means 1s. 1s. Take away s. Remove the s. Then we remove it. What did you see? Nothing. So the answer is what? 0. This one is count 1s. We count 1s. Count another 1s. We count another 1s. How many s did you see? 2s. You have seen 2s. So the way you pronounce it, 2x, just write it down. This is 3y minus 7y. 3y, this is plus. Plus before minus. Don't count this 7 because it's bigger. Plus 3. Plus 3. Count 3. That is 3y. 1, 2, 3. Take away 7y, take away 1y, take away 2y, take away 3y, take away 4y, take away 5y, take away 6y, take away 7y. Take away is minus, that is slash. Take away 1y, take away 2y, take away 3y, take away 4y, take away 5y, take away 6y, take away 7y. How many y did you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, we have seen what? Minus 4y. Is that taken? That is it. It's very simple. Just calm yourself down and do what they ask you to do. There is no times, there is no division there. There is no bracket. Count what you have seen. Don't bring another topic into the question you are solving. 4w plus 6w. That is, count 4w, count 6w. You should know the answer. Practice this. 0 minus 3. This is count nothing. Don't do anything. Take away 3. Take away 1, take away 2, take away 3. That is it. Take away 1, take away 2, take away 3. So the answer is what? Take away 1, take away 3. So the answer is what? Minus 3. This is 3 minus 0. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Take away nothing. Nothing. So the answer is what? 3, which is still the same thing as what? Plus 3. Invisible. So this and this, they are two different things. Try to take note of what I'm trying to point out there. Now let's look at this. Take away 5q plus 3q. Take away 5q plus 3q. That is, take away 5q. Count the q. This is take away 5q plus 3q. Count before take away. That is, count 3q. This is q, 1q, 2q, 3q, which you have counted. You have counted 3q. Now take away 5q. Take away 5q from what you have counted. Take away 1q, take away 2q, take away 3q, take away 4q, take away 5q. How many q did you see? We have seen what? Minus. We have seen 2q, but is what? Minus 2q. Here, minus 5 plus 3q. This is number. This is alphabet. They are on like times. So your answer, this one does not even, you don't need to do anything. So they are on like times. That means it gives you what? Minus 5 plus 3q. Then you can rewrite it. That is, plus should come before minus. That is 3q. Don't forget, plus 3q is the same thing as 3q. Then minus 5. Minus 5. This is what they call rearrangement. You have rearranged it in a better way. This is what distinguishes good student from a brilliant student. Now, let's look at this. 2x minus y. 2s is alphabet. 1 is number. So they are on like terms. So you cannot process them. So your answer will still remain as what? 2s minus y. This one is well arranged. Plus before minus. This one is 3 minus 2y. You should be able to solve this. Solve those ones that I did not solve. Take the picture, send it to Smart Tutorial. I will tell you if you are right or wrong. Then we can learn from each other. Others also can learn from you. Don't forget, our Facebook platform is always available for your post. You can post there, you can comment, take pictures. It's very easy to work it on the paper. Take the picture of it, send it under the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. So let's grow together. Let's give to our community together, and let people learn from us. There are different things we've come across. There are different things we've come across in our mathematics. There are different things you have been able to discover on your own that are not inside the textbook. Why not share it with others? Let others benefit from you, especially during this lockdown, so that we can reason. Let's reason. Let's try to motivate the cells of our brain so that it doesn't remain dull when the school resumes back. So it's good to have you here again. I'm Samuel Jude. Just try to click the subscribe button. It's free. Just click it so that you can always get our latest update. You can, if you like the video, you can just click a like, share with your friends also. Is that taken? So join us on our Smart tutorial on Facebook. Just type smart tutorial, you'll get it there. So that is where we'll interact on different subjects on Facebook. Thanks for watching once again.